Hey guys, you're watching Coding Science with Atish. I'm a 7th grader in Island Middle School in New Jersey, and this is my another interesting program to check if a number is a prime or not in C#. Alright, here I am using Microsoft Visual Studio to run my program. You can use any free tool available on internet to run yours. As you can see, this program starts with a namespace that contains a class called as program, having a main method. We'll know more about namespace and class in my upcoming videos. For today, let's only focus on the main method, which is the starting point of the code execution. Now let's start writing the code. We will start with the comment program to test if the given number is a prime or not. First, I will declare a boolean variable is prime with a default value as true. This is just a flag to indicate if the given number is a prime or not. Now we will use console.writeLine to display a prompt asking the user to enter the number they want to test. Next, we will declare a decimal variable called input num and read user's input into the variable using console.readLine method. Finally, converting user's input into decimal. The reason I'm using decimal variable is because I'll be using math.floor method to get the lowest integer close to a decimal number, and math.floor accepts only decimal numbers. Now we will declare another integer variable called half of num. We will use this variable to store the lowest integer number close to half of the user's input. Here we are using math.floor method to get the integer close to half of the given number. For example, if the decimal number is 25.7, math.floor will return it as 25. Alright, before I move forward with the code implementation, I would like to explain the logic of the program. In order to check if a number is a prime or not, the easiest way is to start dividing the number starting from 2, the lowest prime number, till half of the given number. In order to do so, we will use a for loop that will start from 2 and will traverse till half of the given number. If the remainder of the division is equal to 0, it means the number is not a prime, and will assign false to is prime flag. Then we'll put a break statement so that the program exits the for loop. There are some exceptions with prime numbers, like the number 0 is not a prime. Also, the number 1 is not a prime. The lowest prime number is the number 2. We will add this exception into our program using if condition so that the program works for all whole numbers. At the end, we will use value of is prime to determine if the number is a prime or not, and will display the result on the screen. There is another way to determine if a number is a prime or not by reducing the loop count to square root of the given number. This will reduce the iterations program will run in order to determine if a number is a prime or not. I will come up with another video soon. check the output of the program. In order to run the program, you can hit the function key F5 or click the green play button. Now let's enter our first number to test on the screen as 467 and click the enter button. As you can see, the output shows it's a prime number, which is absolutely correct. Now let's test another number as 469. And the output shows it is not a prime number, which is perfect. Now let's test few larger values. So let's enter the number 98,765,477 and we'll hit the enter button. And you can see we are getting the output in fraction of seconds. Now we'll test some more values, and here you go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and smash that subscribe button. Bye and meet you next video.